So today we're using this shoe cleaner to clean this boot right here, and you can see how dirty it is, all the marks and stuff all over it, how dirty this white part is, how it's got a lot of black coloring right there and on the toe, and how dirty it is. So let's get it clean. We start off by getting the brush bristles totally wet, and then we take our shoe cleaning solution and we sprinkle it onto the brush like this. You don't need a whole lot. And now we're going to scrub and just create a nice foamy layer, as you can see that it's doing right now. And then we can just take a rag and we can wipe off that foamy layer there. And you can see I didn't put a ton of effort into that at all. And you can see how much whiter this part is. I still got some work to do along here. Of course, I'm going to do some more scrubbing there, but you can see it does a really good job so far right there. And I'm just going to keep going on this boot. Now you can see the foam isn't building up quite as much, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to rinse off this brush and then just add some more shoe cleaning solution to it and start over. And there you go, getting nice and foamy again. Okay, that's kind of just a first wash there. I didn't put a whole lot of work into this boot because I do have to get going this morning and I'm going to take these out hiking, and I just want them to be cleaned up a little bit before I head out. And I'll probably wash them again one more time when I'm done, just to make sure I go back through and work on kind of the darker stains that are on this boot here. You can see I didn't get them all, but again, I didn't put a whole lot of effort into that. That was literally less than 5 minutes of work, and look how much nicer that boot looks now.